Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So we are still very much range bound. The US market moved quite decently to the upside yesterday, but the DAX stayed fairly flat. So and you can see that in the charts. We haven't had the crossover of the moving averages yet. These two levels that we've got here are still critical for support, and then obviously we're looking for a break above the 155 at the moment for us to get moving. One good thing is our oscillators right now. So you can see previous swing low, current swing low there. So price is higher, oscillator is lower, and look at the separation. We're going to cross over far apart. And whenever you have a crossover like that, there is normally an explosive move coming. So with that in mind, it sort of sets your bias already that this is a flag. So this is the move up. This is the consolidation flag, and now we're looking for a move. We're looking for a break of this area for a retest to here. So that's kind of the view that we've got at the moment. Now, if we get down to the 3 hour, have a look what's happened for the last week and a half. It is ranging. So, normally what we say is stay out of it. Look at how we are inside the moving averages here as well. Not an area that we want to be trading. So, if you look at that, it's definitely not something that I'm interested in right now. But I'm definitely interested in a break of either of these levels, one way or the other. So, big move down and then this consolidation. So, on the hour, you've got a move down and then you've got a flag forming. And, it's a really messy flag. But if you kind of do that and then just run along the top there, you'll see what I mean. So it's kind of a triangle flag, flat wedge, range, whatever you want to call it. It's consolidation. So yesterday was a complete consolidation day. I'm going to delete those areas. So what you're looking for here is some kind of continuation down or move to the top of the range. The DAX is very much, for me, a clear sit on hands. And bear in mind that it does follow the Dow Jones. And if you look at the Dow Jones, there's also range bound, but it's looking more like a move to the upside is brewing than anything else. So you would expect the DAX to follow suit. But I think at the moment, this is sideways. There's generally nothing that I want to trade anyway. There's definitely people out there that love this kind of stuff and that will be trading these ups and downs and getting it right. But I just frustrate myself trying to second guess whether it's a range or not, because to me it's more of a trap. So I stay out of it. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. And the only thing that's going to get me into the DAX is a fairly strong break and some support above 14,379. Even if we drop below here 14,238, I'm still not really keen on a short until we get below 14,100 and retest that area. That would get me short because that's going to line up with my bigger time frames. But at the moment, this in the 15-minute, look at this, above, below, inside the moving averages. This, if you look at it on the Bollinger Bands, you'll see you'll be getting a Bollinger Band squeeze here. So there is a move coming. The big question is where it is. There's no indication of which direction for me anyway at the moment. So yeah, it's clear sit on hand day for the DAX. And yeah, you do that quite often with the DAX the last year and a bit. Anyway, that's kind of what's happening today. I hope it helps somebody, and we will catch up with you on Monday. Enjoy your weekend. Cheers for now.